If you're seeing the X.com or Twitter authorization error that says login required, the fastest fix is usually very simple. In this video, I'll show you the quickest way to get back into your account and stop that error from blocking you. If this tutorial helps, please hit like and subscribe for more short, useful tech fixes just like this. First, the easiest step is to just log out and log back in. Sometimes the session gets stuck and X or Twitter stops recognizing your login properly. So go ahead and sign out of your account completely, then close the tab or app and sign back in again with your username and password. In many cases, that alone is enough to clear the authorization problem. If you're still getting the error, the next step is to clear your cookies and cache. On your keyboard, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete at the same time. That opens the browser data clearing menu. From there, make sure cookies and cached files are selected. You want to remove the saved data that may be causing the login conflict. After that, confirm the action and let the browser clear everything. Once it's finished, open X.com or Twitter again and log back in. This gives you a fresh session and often fixes the authorization error immediately. So to recap, first log out and log back in. And if that doesn't work, press Ctrl, Shift, Delete, and clear your cookies and cache. Those two steps solve this issue for most people. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more quick fixes and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.